Hey, morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. While today will be a little bit of a better day for most of us, it kind of depends on where you live today. Now, any chances of snow will mostly be off towards the northern part of the state today. A little bit of light snow along the Nebraska-South Dakota border. Thinner cloud cover the farther south that you go. Partly to mostly cloudy skies for most of us, and a large range in temperatures as we go through your day today. That colder air starts to work southward, and so does the moisture. By this evening, areas north of Highway 92, which would be basically the northern half of the state, have a chance of some snow, but potentially even mixed with a little bit of light freezing drizzle or sleet. The mid-levels of the atmosphere will be a little bit dry for a while. Not only that, but a little bit warmer as well. So there's that potential for more of a mix. And even farther south, there's that potential after midnight. But as we progress towards tomorrow morning, it should change over to mostly snow here as it starts to move into the Tri-Cities area. So I'll include a slight chance after midnight in the Tri-Cities. Better chances will shift southward during the day tomorrow. A round of light snow is going to be possible for your Friday. Again, off and on. Not looking at a lot of snow tomorrow. Chances will then pick up as we get towards tomorrow night. Maybe a light to at times moderate snow, and it shifts a little farther south during the overnight hours Friday night into very early on Saturday morning here. As we continue into your Saturday, it looks like the southern half of Nebraska and northern Kansas will have the best chance of snow during the day as it continues to shift farther and farther south. And so basically what we're looking at is a couple of days worth of some weak waves that move through, bring some periodic light to at times moderate snowfall here. Now, I'm not expecting a lot of heavy snowfall, but over time it could add up to a couple of inches. Here is one forecast model, and that kind of gives you a hint of the 1 to 3 inch type variety. Some may get a little bit more, especially if you can get a thicker or a deeper band of snow that kind of snows a little heavier for a time. But overall, on average, I think a lot of us will see that 1 to 3 inch type variety. But again, maybe some up around 4 or 5 inches. No blowing snow wise, maybe a little bit of blowing snow during the day Friday, but that's kind of our lower chance of snow is during the day Friday. So I don't think we'll see a lot of big concerns. By the time we start to see better chances of snow around the Tri-Cities Friday night and Saturday, especially early on Saturday, we shouldn't see as much wind out there, but I will guarantee you it's going to be cold here the next couple of days after today. Now today, it depends on where you live. Up north, we're struggling to get to the lower 20s around O'Neill, lower to mid 30s around the Broken Bow area. Much warmer though towards the southwest, 40 around Lexington, but lower 50s around Imperial, mid 40s for Beaver City and McCook. Northern Kansas will see anything from lower 40s for Mankato to upper 40s around Phillipsburg. Tri-Cities a good range in temperatures, low 30s around GI, but mid and upper 30s towards Hastings and Kearney. And finally off towards the east, we'll see temperatures topping out anywhere from the mid-20s around Columbus to as warm as 40 in Belleville, Kansas, lower 30s around Lincoln Crete and in York. Next couple of days, well, as I said, it's only going to get colder the next couple of days. In fact, our high temperature will probably come around sunrise tomorrow or even prior to sunrise, and temperatures will stay steady or even fall slowly through the day on Friday. Cold Friday night, Saturday, another cold day out there, highs only in the teens. Snow will linger mostly in the south as we get through the day Saturday night, and then pushes off away from the area. And then most of next week, at least the early to middle portions of next week, look dry. Lots of sunshine Sunday, a cold start Sunday, but some recovery back into the upper 20s, and then we return to the 30s and 40s on Monday. Warmer the farther southwest you go. We'll see those fluctuating temperatures continue through the middle part of next week, but at least most of next week looks better than what we've gone through this past week here. So better, not ideal, but better conditions expected as we at least head through the first half of next week. So there is your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. I hope you all have a great Thursday, and God bless.